This is the home of a hard-working middle-class village couple who make their living by growing vegetables on their land. But this morning, when the husband wakes up and goes to inspect the field, he is shocked to see that many of the vegetable plants have been destroyed and eaten by some animal. The sight leaves him deeply disappointed and heartbroken. When the wife finds out what happened, she gently encourages her husband not to lose hope. She tells him that being sad will not fix the situation, and that they need to take action before the animal returns and destroys even more of their vegetable plants. So together, they come up with a plan to set a trap and catch the animal. Later that night, they discovered that an animal had been caught in the trap. As they moved closer, they were shocked to find that it was a buffalo. After seeing it, they came up with a new plan. Instead of simply letting it go, they decided to prepare a special recipe, enjoy the meal themselves, and also share it with some needy people. Once the meat has been cut into pieces, it is carefully washed with water to ensure it is clean and ready for cooking. At this moment, they are carefully picking fresh vegetables from their garden. These fresh and vibrant ingredients will be the key to today's delicious meal. The husband carefully lights the fire with his own hands. The glowing heat from the flames will be used to cook the meat into perfectly roasted kebabs.
With all the cooking finally complete, they carefully arrange each dish in a beautiful way. The husband and wife sit together and enjoy the delicious meal they prepared. Once they are done, they pack the remaining food and share it with the needy, spreading joy and warmth. The recipients of the meal are delighted, eating with great joy and gratitude. The couple's garden flourishes around them, adding to the beauty of the scene. Everything is calm and peaceful now, with no more troubles to worry about.